Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you guys the advanced level of Teespring design. Like in my previous video I made this pattern, not exactly the same pattern. I added some extra element here like this stars and made some changes, but you can make this same pattern or similar pattern by watching my that video. So there in Teespring we have some other options, like this is a all over print unisex t-shirt. This is a all over print joggers. This is a leggings. So we can use this same design for every product. Just we need to know the adjustment, just we need to know the measurements. So for that I made this is the this is the all over print t-shirt template. This one is the joggers template. So I already made them on illustrator like this. I will give you these files and I will of course show you how to use them. So when you have this mockup template, you can see that this is the template layer and this is the background layer. So all you need to do is just fill this design layer with your pattern. But before that, as we made this pattern in 2000 into 2000 pixel, sorry, 2000 by 1000 pixel size, so this is a little smaller like comparing to these mockups. And if you just go to the image size here, you can see this is 11,000 into 10,000, and this one, okay, this is the unisex t-shirt. This one is even bigger. So this is 18,000 into 16,000. So we cannot make this much bigger files in illustrator. That's the problem. And if you try to make, then it will be a huge file size. So I am going to use this same pattern for them but in a different way. So first of all is I need to make a new file that should be something around 5,000 into 5,000, as our that design is one is 18,000, one is 11,000. So if I make anything in 5,000 and 5,000, it will fit on them. So let me show you. If I make a artboard 5,000 by 5,000, so now I need this pattern. But if I just copy this one and then paste it here something like this, you can see it is going to be a very smaller size pattern, and I cannot just adjust them like this because it will stress out the pattern and it will not look good. And I cannot also fix it like this. It will be too much smaller for my graphic. So how to fix that? Now the point here is we make this pattern with some elements here and the rest is the duplicate copy. So we need to copy the main graphics from this pattern. So just double click on this pattern from your source panel and it will show you this pattern preview option. You can see this is a lots of heavy file because I added too many small elements in my design, and that is causing this problem. So once we are in this pattern preview mode, we need to select only our original pattern group, just like this. You can see it is hanging my illustrator. That's not a problem. So once my original element group is selected like this, I need to copy. So control C to copy them. I am going to show my keyboard strokes here. So I already copied that. It is just taking the time to take everything. Okay, that is good for me. Then cancel it because I don't need that anymore here. So for this one here, why I am taking this 5,000 into 5,000, because one file size is 16,000 and one is like 11,000. So I am taking this 5 because I want to make it multiply with 5. Okay, let's not make it complicated. So once I have that in my clipboard, let's paste it here. And as you can see, this is smaller than my size here, the artboard size. So I need to make it bigger. I need to bigger so that it fits into my 5,000 into 5,000 artboard. And once I have them bigger like this, go to object, then pattern, make. So it is going to make us the same pattern just in bigger size, and it is going to of course crush my illustrator here. I hope I can finish this video before crashing. So as you can see, this is how my design is going to look like. So you can see this is how. Okay, let me just zoom out a bit so that I can see a bigger area. Whatever I am going to do here, it is going to take some time to load. Okay, maybe something like this. So as you can see, there are some empty space in our design, so I need to select my main graphic here, just like this. Of course it is going to take some time. Then I am going to make my main group a little bigger, not too much bigger, just make it a little bit bigger so that it fits into the empty space of my design. And once that is done, you can see it is not yet loaded. Okay, so you can just use your arrow key, right arrow key, to fast forward. Okay, so you can see this is now my, now filling the empty space of my design. I can always make changes like put something in this area to fill that area, but that's a huge amount of work. I'm not going to do that. So once my pattern is filled like this, just click on this done button, and this is going to make this pattern in bigger size. So now we have a bigger pattern, and then we can simply use that pattern to fill our design. Okay, this is going to be a bit tricky. So okay, our pattern is ready. You can see the last one is the new pattern, so I'm going to delete them. I don't need them. So let's click on this rectangle tool to make it like a 5000 into 5000 rectangle. Press enter. Then you can see this is filling my pattern with the previous pattern that we bring in our in this document. So I'm going to align them first of all with my artboard. Then if I click here, it will filled with my new pattern size, the bigger pattern size. So that's all I need here. So once my pattern is filled like that, I just need to copy this document like this rectangle from here. So then for making the unisex t-shirt design, I need to take a pattern like that. So in the design layer, not in template, not in background, I'm going to paste it in the design layer, and this is how it is looking right now. So I can simply make it a little bigger. I'm not aligning this with the artboard area because that is just, this is, the template is not a square template. So this is how it is going to look, or maybe simply I can make it smaller like this. Okay, let's do it in another way. Once we pasted that in our this artboard, it is going to save this pattern in this document. So let's take a rectangle like this, just like this, and then it is going to fill with that pattern automatically. So that is good for us. Now all you need to do is just turn off this template layer, and now you have a pattern like this. Okay, and always you can always make it customized, like fit in this area wherever you want to put the elements or the graphics you want. So for making that kind of pattern, you need to first of all copy this main element, then place them something like in this area, then make the pattern, and that will follow the area. So I'm just showing you how to do this. So if I turn this off, I'm going to press Ctrl Alt and E for the export option. I'm going to name it US, that means unisex shirt. Let's export it in PNG. So this is going to make our unisex design. And then okay, sorry for that, we could have made some changes in the design, but that's not a problem. I will do that in the joggers one. So once our design is going to export, it is going to take some time, guys. Okay, so as you can see, this is our unisex t-shirt pattern is now exported. So let's select this rectangle from here, copy this one, then I'm going to make it for the joggers. So if I paste it here like this, it is going to bring me that same pattern for this, and I just need to align that with my, okay, let's just do it. like this. Make sure that everything is going beyond your artboard area, the work area. That is good. Then click on this pattern, it is going to fix it. So everything here is now fixed like this. But if I turn this off for a while, you can see we can just adjust some other colors for this area, so I'm going to take a layer on top of my design layer. Then if I just zoom in like this, I need to create a rectangle here, and this time I'm going to make it like a, I'm going to fill it with black. So just like this, it is going to make this area, this waistband area, black, and then this two also. So I'm going to make them black, and that's why I'm taking this rectangle on top of my main design layer, and I need to make sure it is black. So that's good. Now turn on this design layer, turn off this template layer. So as you can see, this is how it is going to work. So when our design is placed, and of course you can customize it, like if you want to put something for this area, then something else for this area, this area, you can do it however you want. I am just showing you how to use the same pattern for different designs. So, and this is a really big size pattern, so it is going to work perfectly well for our leggings. So JJ, I am going to name this something like that. Export it as PNG. Of course it should be a PNG image. This is going to crash my illustrator. I don't know if this time or not. Okay guys, so this is our joggers pattern, and we need one more. So this one is the, okay, the unisex t-shirt one is the higher resolution, so that will be okay for us. So let's go to Teespring like this, come to the all over print pattern, select your image, then wherever you want it to be, like locate the file from your computer. Okay, this one is the unisex t-shirt design. Okay, I maybe chose a wrong template, I don't know, because that doesn't matter because we are using a flat pattern, nothing just specialized for any special area. So this will work perfectly fine. Now I find that Teespring lags sometime, you can see like this, because when the file size is too much, it is going to hang the browser. So let me fix that. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how it is going to look. But as we made the file size a little smaller than the template, so we need to fix that. And for fixing that, you can click on this image anywhere you want, then you can simply adjust the position like this. Just make it, place it bigger than the template, then drag that this corner and make it bigger like this, and it is going to work perfectly fine. As this is a illustrator document, like we exported this from illustrator, so this is in really high quality, high resolution, and this is how your design is going to look like. So let's have a preview. This is going to how it is going to look like. Okay guys, so this is how it is looking. I don't think this is looking very bad, even I really like this look of this t-shirt. And for this color area, you can customize the color. You see, you will find the option if you turn this off and turn this on. This is the color layer. Just add any color rectangle here, that will be added to your color. But I just wanted to make it everything look like this, so that's good. And then for these joggers, so let's add our image here like this, and then again we need to find that. This is going to take some time. This is a huge amount of, okay guys, so here is my file uploaded, and I am uploading the same unisex t-shirt pattern on this leggings, and you can see this is not matching with the design. Just move it up like this a little bit, then hold this point and drag it down. It will fit inside your design area. So that's it. Now if I click on this preview button, it is going to give me the real-time preview. So you can see this is the all over print t-shirt design. Okay, so this one is the joggers design and this is the final preview. And if I click on this design, that is how I made this. Like if you just follow the template and the way I showed you, it is going to perfectly fit like this. You don't need to do anything else here. And this is going to be the final preview, and of course for the leggings you can see this is going to be the final design. Now if you want to customize the leggings, you need to download the leggings mockup from Teespring. I don't have this right now, otherwise I could change this waistband color something like white or red. Anyway, so you can see this is how you are going to make a single design, just some simple patterns, and then just follow the size instructions, and then you can simply like make this three product, not three product, actually four product, the all over print sweatshirt, this all over print unisex t-shirt, and then these joggers, this leggings with the same design. So I hope this one will give you guys some advanced level idea. I can start a Teespring course maybe, because you are not going to get this information from anywhere else in the YouTube. You can search it. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section that you are enjoying my videos. That is all I want from you guys. So thank you everyone.